Let me tell you about anger, my friend. Imagine you have on your favorite outfit and wine spills on it. And if you make a move to remove the spill while it's still wet, it's easier to come out. But if you leave it there and it dry up, it becomes such a pain to remove. That wine spill, my friend, is anger. The longer you take to deal with it, the more difficult it may be to address. Resentment grows and you just start to feel heavy. But if you address it quickly, you feel like free after. Sometimes we can't address it in the moment because it's very, very intense. But as soon as calmness enters the chat, address the anger immediately. The Bible says we should be slow to anger because human anger does not produce the righteousness of God, and that's James 1 verse 19 to 20, and that we must not sin in our anger and we mustn't let the sun go down on our anger. That's Ephesians 4 verse 26. I've literally been angry for the last almost 2 years, just feeling hurt, disrespected and not heard, and feeling like the anger